This video is about Pi network KYC update. So a lot of you have been struggling to migrate your Pi network from the testnet to mainnet, and I have received a lot of questions from most of you, and that is why I'm making this video. Now the first category of people are those that are yet to do their KYC. So whenever you go to your Pi browser and try to apply for KYC, it tells you, thanks for your interest in Pi KYC verification. Slots are not available at this time. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually resolve this in this video. The second category of people are those that have done their KYC, but it is yet to be approved in the past 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, 6 months, up to 1 year. Their KYC are yet to be approved. I'm going to also answer that question in this video. And then the final ones are those that have completed their KYC and their KYC was successful, but recently it was marked as tentative KYC. So I'll show you how to solve the 3 problems in this video. So if you're facing any of these problems, then this video might be the solution for you. But before we get started, it will be kind of you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And let's start with the first one, which is those that are yet to do their KYC. Alright, so if you're here to do your KYC and it is showing us thanks for your interest in Pi KYC verification, slots are yet to be available at this time. Now what you're going to simply do is you must complete at least 30 mining sections before you can apply for KYC. So this account cannot apply for KYC because it hasn't completed 30 mining sections. Now what is 30 mining sections? This is simply 30 days of mining sections. So you must open up your Pi app every day and then you must come and click on this mine section right here and make sure it is mining every 24 hours. You must do that. If you're able to do that in the next 30 days, then you'll be qualified to do your KYC and you'll be allowed to go ahead to do your KYC. Now just in case after that 30 days it is not allowed for you, what you can do is come back to your Pi app, click on the 3 dots right here and click on mainnet. So over here you're going to click on mainnet checklist. So you're going to find if all of these things have been done. So first one, download Pi app, it is done. Create a wallet, it is done. Confirm your Pi wallet, it is done. Commit to lockup confirmation, that is done. Secure account, sign acknowledgement, all of that is done for this wallet and for this account I'm showing you right here. But just in case any of them it's not done, it's not showing as completed, then you have to do that before you be allowed to submit your KYC. I think this one right here, sign acknowledgement, is very, very important too. So make sure you sign this acknowledgement because if you don't do that, I don't think you are going to be allowed to do your KYC. So once you sign it, then you should be allowed to submit your KYC, and then you can go ahead and then click on KYC and then do it right away. So over to the profile, make sure your Facebook has been verified, the phone number has been verified, email verified, and then all of these things. If any of them is not verified, you won't still be allowed to do your KYC. So just go ahead and it's just a simple thing, request a verification code, and then you'll be sent the verification code. You can go ahead and do it right away and that will work. Alright, so this is all of it for those that are yet to do their KYC. Now to the second category of people, which is those that have done their KYC but they are yet to be verified. Now what you can do is come back to your Pi app and then click on the 3 dots again. So right here you're going to click on support portal. Now before I show you what you're going to see on support portal, usually when you come to your Pi browser and then click on KYC, and if your KYC is yet to be approved, let's say this account has done KYC but is yet to be verified, sometimes you might see an option that would show you that, okay, this is the reason why you were not verified. Try to apply again and then you can be able to complete it right there. But oftentimes it doesn't happen every time. So what you're going to do is you go to that support portal I actually clicked on previously. You're going to scroll down to this section which says need to raise a request, contact us. Click on it, and then over here you're going to scroll down to KYC and you'll be allowed to fill in your name, your Pi username, phone number, all of those things. Now your password, your citizenship, all of this, you're going to put in all of this. Then you're going to go ahead to state your problem. So if your problem is that you're not verified, what you're going to do is you state the one you have an issue with. So you see an issue with first screen, that's your consent, your age, and blah blah blah. Select the one that is your challenge. Now once you've picked that, you select the date for when your KYC review was pending. So was it before 2022 or was it after 2022? You're going to just select the exact one. Or since if it's since January 2023, just select that one. Or if you don't remember, it's still fine. You can write I don't remember. Nobody is going to harm you for that. But let's say it's like from 2023 upward, you can select this particular one and tell them the reason why you were not verified. So it could be you submitted the wrong ID. You should know the reasons why you were not verified. Most times you will know the reasons, And once you do that, go ahead and put in the description, take a screenshot of what is showing on your Pi browser, and then click on send. Now this particular stuff get reviewed in like 24 hours to 48 hours, but there are times when it extends to like 1 week or 1 month, so you have to be patient. And I would also say that you can try it again after like 2 weeks, just in case you've not received any feedback from them, and that way maybe they'll open up your portal again for you to do the KYC from afresh. But make sure you have a very good phone you're using to take a picture, and then make sure your documents are very clear, you can see them very well. It should be plastic and not paper documents. That way you should be able to complete your KYC with those documents. Now the final set of the people in this video, which is tentative KYC and liveness check. To solve that, you're going to come to your Pi app like this, and you're going to see right here your tentative KYC status is all. You're going to see, but if you're having an issue with that, you should see an option for you to rectify it from here. It's very easy to rectify it from here, but you know, not every person gets to see it on this home page. So if you're unable to see it on this home page, you can also go back to your Pi browser and open up KYC, and you should also see a pop-up on this KYC section to be able to do that. But if you're unable to see that, then there's one final thing which you can do, which is to go back to your Pi app and click on these 3 dots, select support portal, and it's going to bring you back just like what I explained previously. You click on need to raise blah blah blah, and then select KYC. All right, so you put in your email and all of those details, and over here just click on none, and you're going to look for the one that says liveness check. It's quite easy right here, just read all of it. I've done this video before, but like you can see liveness video don't load or show properly. It can be this one that's your challenge, or if it's none of them, you can click on none, and then make sure you are typing the right thing as to what is actually wrong and putting a screenshot of it. And once you do that, it will also be reviewed in 48 hours. So just stay tuned, or if it doesn't, then you can try to apply again more often. I think the more they see it, the more they pay attention to solving that particular challenge. So guys, this is all of it about how to solve your Pi KYC issue. Now, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate it for you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I'll see you in my next video.